We all know somebody who snores. There are people out there who have heard their significant other or spouse literally in the middle of the night gasping for air.
My husband had repeatedly told me that I snore quite loudly, or used to snore quite loudly. And I tried different kind of over-the-counter things, but of course, none of them worked. And I thought, okay, I just need to really try this.
The appliance actually fits on the upper and the lower teeth, and it has a small arm in between it that's adjustable. These appliances are exceptionally well-fitting, and they really make a huge difference almost immediately in the patient's quality of life.
And I trust Dr. Black. I've been coming here for over 25 years now. When I go to bed at night, I pop it in, and you don't even know what's in there. It's amazing. It's my new best little friend.